Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project online key coverage system, and I have developed this project in Java JSP and MySQL. The version for the JDK I'm using is JDK 1.8, MySQL version is 5.6, and for connecting MySQL with Java JSP, I'm using MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. This is a web application, so for front-end development I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations and creating animations, and for many more things I have used the jQuery libraries. On the server side, I am using Tomcat version 7 for running this project. But if you have version, you can use that also. But we have tested this project on Tomcat version 7. So let's start with the functionality go through what we have implemented inside this project online key according system. So this is a major project developed in Java JSP and MySQL, and the title is Key Reporting System. Here there are two types of login. One is for admin, second one is for customer. Customer can log in and customer can add the product. Admin can see all of the orders of the customer. Admin can also manage the products. So let's start. So once you run this project, you will get this home page. You can see there are many of the cakes are coming on the home page, and these cakes are coming from the database. So this is the dynamic page where cakes are coming from the database. If you click on the cake, you will be able to see the details of the cake, and after that you can select the quantity and you can add it into the cart. Right? You can see you have added the cake into the cart. Right? If you want to add more, just click on the continue shopping. You can see this is the cake page, and you can filter out the product from here and just click on and add to cart. You can see you have added item into the cart. If you want to remove any cake, just click on the hit button and delete button. Your that cart item will be deleted. Means your cake that will be deleted. It once you click on the proceed to checkout, you will not be able to check out without login. So for making the payment, for confirming the order, you must have a user ID and password. So home page, I already explained you all items. These all are the items, and if you click on the items, then you will be able to see the list of that items. This is the again the filter, right? You can see you can filter out the records, right? Okay. So now I am going to log in as a customer. So here you can see the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once you log in, then it's showing the shipping address because the same shipping address for the previous items, right, which you have added into cart. Now, if you click again this one, you can see there are three items. Once you click on the proceed to checkout, then it's asking for the shipping address. You can add any data here, right? Once you click on the proceed to payment, then you can see this is a dummy credit card payment page. There is no real-time transactions. We are not making any external leads. No need of entering any tap credit card details. Just enter the dummy value here, right? And product type, expiry month, date, serial number, and once you click on the make payment, you can see your order number 18 has been placed, and total item you have paid is 5,970 rupees. Right? Once you click on the my orders, you will be able to see all of the orders which has been placed by you. Once you click on the order details, you can see this is the processing. These are the details of the order. This is a my account page from where you will be able to see the my accounts. This is a contact us page, and this is a static contact us page. We are not saving the value of this contact us anywhere into the database. This is a logout. Once you click on the logout, your session will be expired and you will not be able to access the internal menu without login. You can see the session has been expired, the menu has been changed. Now I'm going to log in as an admin. So user ID is admin, and password is test. Once you log in inside the system, you will get this page, right? So you can see product management here, home product management. You'll be able to see add any number of cakes here, right? You can enter the product name, product type, company, sales, image, all of the products you can details you can fill here, and after that that will be saved into the database. Right, this is the product report. All of the product which you have added will be displayed here. So we have added 12 products, so you can see all of the products are available here. Once you click on the edit, you will be able to see the forms details, and you can edit the details and you can save the product. This is a stock report. All of the stock which is available in our stock will be displayed here. You can see these are the stocks, right? And it will be decreased if I customer orders this number of stock. This is a customer report. All of the customers which has placed order will be displayed here. Once you click on the orders, you will be able to see the details of all of orders which belong to that customer. Once you click on the view items, you will be able to see view items, right? Now, if I click on the edit, then you can select the order status and tag, submit. Now, customer will be able to see the pack details on their interface. This is the order report. All of the orders will be which has been placed by all of the customer will be displayed here. You can also view the items and edit the details, right? And you can change the status of that order. They change password. From here you can change the password, and after that you will be login with that updated password and the logout. Once click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed, and you will not be able to access any of the internal pages, right? So these all functionalities we have developed inside this project, online key cording system. As I told you earlier, this is a Java JSP and MySQL web-based major project which has admin and customer login both. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate the changes. We will make this project more enhanced version according to your requirement. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.